Today, I want to show you my life living alone in rural China. No friends, just my cat. There are no big plans here, just a simple, spontaneous life. Hi, I'm Kane. I'm 42 years old and currently living alone in rural China. I'm too lazy to cook breakfast every morning. If there are leftovers from yesterday, I'll eat those. If not, I just head out for a local breakfast. It's less than $1. And the best part, no dishes to wash. This is my cat. I named him Xiaobai because he's all white. His parents were probably stray cats, which might be why Xiaobai never uses the front door. He always comes home via the roof, so I have to use a ladder to get him down. Cat food isn't exactly his main course. He loves catching his own extra snacks in the wild. I never know exactly what he's eating, but I've seen him coming home with feathers in his mouth. I rescued him from a sewer 2 winters ago. He was barely a month old, so tiny it broke my heart. He just kept crying. If it wasn't for that sound, I would have never found him. Nowadays, he spends most of his day wandering outside, but the moment he steps back inside, he becomes the most clingy cat in the world. Cycling is my favorite workout. It's not as exhausting as running, and you don't need expensive gym gear. All you need is a mountain bike that costs less than $8. Why so cheap? Because I found it at a junkyard. It was originally for my nephew, but he gave up after just 1 day. Since then, it's become my personal ride. One of the reasons I love the countryside is that it's free from the city's noise, the endless crowds, and the polluted air. There are no reckless cars here, just the sound of birds and the wind whistling past as I ride. Looking out over the endless fields, even the air carries the raw scent of wild grass. Compared to city smog, I'll take the fragrance of wet soil any day. The roads might be muddy, but the air is pure. Stopping for a breather, this place is full of childhood memories. It used to be filled with laughter. Now, it's just me and the silence. People in the countryside are always so warm-hearted. While we were chatting, they offered me some wildflowers they had just picked. These flowers can actually be turned into a traditional local dish. I politely declined, though, because I still have some left at home. Coincidentally, my breakfast this morning was made with these exact flowers. Back to work they go. They've got a long day ahead. The ride has completely drained my energy. I've decided to hit a restaurant for lunch, just taking it easy for once.
来乳搓面。好。哎呦。
这样差点。
不是。
A plate of pork fried noodles costs only $1.40. If I were to cook it myself, the ingredients alone would cost about the same. So, why bother with the extra work?
你是海军的吗？
还去。
你喝汤吗？
你啊，行。
The owner also gave me a complimentary bowl of noodle water. In China, it's a tradition to have a bowl of the water used to boil the noodles alongside the meal. We have an old saying, the original broth helps digest the original food. It's a bit of ancient wisdom to help with digestion. This is an electric bike shop, but it also doubles as a courier station. In the countryside, many shops wear multiple hats like this. The courier company owner is helping me find my package. China is a global leader in e-commerce. Even in remote rural areas, the sheer volume of online shopping packages is staggering. The internet has truly closed the gap between the mountains and the cities. My bag of laundry detergent arrived today, 5 kilograms for only $1.40.
扫描成功，请取走包裹。
Covered in sweat from the ride, home for a hot shower, and topped off with a popsicle, this is my life in the countryside. Simple, yet so satisfying.